Hey guys, quick message on Zoom and how Zoom works with asynchronous or KVA student learning. So this whole distance learning thing and how your schedule works as a KVA student poses a little bit of a problem with live Zooming because everybody in that class is in my class. Like, I see you at the same time. However, some of your friends in that same class may not have the same period as you. So whereas some of you guys have lead-worthy KVA third period, somebody else may have lead-worthy KVA sixth period. And so that kind of poses a problem for live Zooms. The way we're going to try and get around that is if you need to hop in on a Zoom, what I need you to do is next to your name, first and last name, I need you to put in parentheses your KVA and the class. So you would say Lee, Keim, parentheses, KVA, lead-worthy, parentheses. And that will kind of help me when I see you in the waiting room. Having that said, I may be in my conference or lunch period when you're that's when your open period is. And it's not a problem, but it will be, there will be some challenges with that. And like I said, this is stuff we hadn't really planned for in detail. One option is always that Zoom will be open until about 4:15, and you can always hop on then. Or, like I said, just hop on randomly and I'll see if I can answer your question then. Hopefully I can answer most of your questions via email, reminder, Canvas messages, but I do know that sometimes it's just easier to do a Zoom. So all that I'll also have below this video. But for the first 3 days, this Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, kind of hop on if you can, when you can. But make sure it's at the beginning of the class period because that's when I'm restarting all the Zooms. And just make sure you have KVA on there in your class period. You can say lead-worthy or your class period either way. I hope that clarifies a little bit. And if you have any questions, again, for KVA purposes, if you think I can answer it via electronic message, remind, Canvas, email, let's start there. So hope you guys are doing well and get back to it.